Hey there, is your Kindle Fire HD8 giving you headaches because it won't charge? If you're wondering how to fix the charging port on a Kindle Fire HD8, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through some simple yet effective steps to get your device back up and charging in no time. Step 1. Diagnose the problem. The first thing you need to do is identify whether the charging issue stems from the port itself or some other source. Begin by inspecting your charging cable and adapter. Test them with another device to ensure they're functioning properly. If your Kindle Fire HD8 still doesn't charge, then the problem likely lies with the charging. Step 2. Clean the charging port. Dust, debris, or lint can accumulate in the charging port over time and impede proper charging. To clean the port, gently use a small soft brush or compressed air to remove any visible particle. Be careful not to use any metal objects that could damage the port or make contact with the internal components. Regular cleaning can often solve charging issues without further intervention. Step 3. Adjust the charging port contacts. Over time, the metal contacts inside the charging port can become misaligned. To fix this, you can use a small wooden or plastic toothpick to gently lift the metal tabs on the bottom of the port. Be extremely cautious to avoid causing any permanent damage. Once adjusted, test your device again to see if it charges. Step 4. Try a new charging cable or adapter. Sometimes the problem persists due to a malfunctioning cable or adapter, even if they initially appeared to be in working order. Purchase a new compatible charging cable and adapter specifically designed for the Kindle Fire HD. Often, using a quality charger can resolve unexplained charging issues and improve the overall charging speed. Step 5. Seek professional repair. If all else fails and your Kindle Fire HD8 still won't charge, it might be time to consult a professional. Sometimes the charging port or internal components require special tools or expertise to visit a certified repair shop or contact Amazon support service for further assistance. A professional technician can diagnose and repair any underlying hardware issues effectively. And there you have it. If you're trying to figure out how to fix the charging port on a Kindle Fire HD8, these steps should help you tackle the issue head on. Remember to start with simple solutions like cleaning the port and testing cables, moving on to more intricate fixes only if necessary. By following this guide, you'll hopefully have your Kindle charging back to life in no time. If the problem persists, seeking professional help is always a good option. Happy reading.